So how to fix Instagram white screen. Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram white screen in 2023 or beyond. So all what you have to do is very simple and easy, and this trick is gonna be working for Android and iOS too. So all what you have to do is open the settings on your phone, scroll down, go to the apps, I'm sorry. Now here on this page, all what you have to do is just wait a few seconds. It will show you those applications that you have on your phone. Scroll down until you find Instagram and then click on it. Now here on this page you will find all the app information, so don't worry. All what you have to do is simple. Click on this force stop option and then go to the storage, click on clear data and clear cache. And after that, go to the power usage details, scroll down and go to this force stop here, click on it. And that's it guys, now open Instagram and congratulations. Don't forget to like, subscribe, thank you for watching.